Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my simple glowy everyday makeup look that I do for work and school. And this look is very simple, no foundation is used. You can choose to use a brush or not. I'll also be showing you guys my simple natural hairstyle that I like to rock whenever I have my natural hair out. So let's just jump straight into it. First things first, before we start, we always like to moisturize our face. I like to use this Neutrogena moisturizer that has SPF in it. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I will let that sit in for a bit and go straight into my hair. I like to do my edges before I do my foundation, so I'm using my Motions foam just to clear out some gunk out of my edges to prep them before I lay them with some edge control. And the edge control I'm going to be using today is this Gorilla Snot. When I tell you this thing is strong, I really like it. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna tie it with this headscarf tight until I'm done with my makeup. And once I'm done, it's gonna be dry. And I'll give you all the things that... Moving on to my makeup, I'm gonna be starting off with my brows. Brush them up with a spoolie, then fill them in lightly using this brow tint that I got from Walmart. You can get it from pretty much any beauty supply store. Nobody can stand a hurricane. Once my brows look like there's some hairs in it, I just outline it using any liner that I have. I'm just using this black liner. Boom, you can see the difference. And once that's done, I'm just going to use this natural looking concealer. I'm not going to go too crazy with cleaning up my brows. I'm using the LA Girl concealer today in the shade Chestnut. Blend it out with a flat brush. And boom, that's it for the brows. Moving on to my face. Now this product is my holy grail for all my natural looks. This is the Smashbox Halo Tinted Moisturizer with SPF, and I love this thing so much. You don't even need a brush to apply it. You can simply apply it using your hands, and I just like using a powder brush for a very light coverage, just if I'm not wearing anything, and you're gonna see that. You can see it looks just like my skin. It's very lightweight, and you're not gonna feel like a cakey face by the end of the day. And just to kind of take away the shine a little bit, I like to use my Bare Minerals powder foundation as my powder. Next, I'm going to use this Becca. I think this is the Becca Under Eye Corrector, not really concealer. It gives you like a highlight on your cheekbones, and it's not really highlight. I forget the name of it, but I'm gonna link it up here if I find it. Blend it out with my finger like so, like that. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man. Then just to set under the eye, I'm gonna use this Lancome translucent setting powder that I love so much. Give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body, swinging and moving and moving on to my lips. I'm gonna line them using this brown lippy. Her body, she ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like a... As I let that dry, I'm gonna move on to my eyes, apply mascara, like so, like that. And I'll give you all the things. I also like to line my waterline with this black liner as well. Once my lip liner dries up, I go in with this nude shade lipstick from MAC. I think it's Kingster. It's just a brown girl friendly nude shade that I love so much. As you can see, it's just Nobody can. I'ma make it. Then since I'm going for a glossy look, I'm just gonna take any lip gloss that I see around, and boom, that's it for my face. Moving on to my hair. Like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. Taking off the scarf, and my edges are all dried up, and since I put some flexi rods to sleep, I'm just gonna take them out, then fluff out my hair. I'ma do it like so, like that. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can stand. Once that's done, I like going in with Aunt Jackie's curl custard. It just defines my curls a little bit.
Yeah, I want to meet
Then just to dry up my hair and puff it up a little bit, I go in with my diffuser, like so, like that.
Yeah, I want to girl, you are me island king. Beauty now your body gives me eyes can see. Oh gosh.
I was not feeling my hair this day, to be honest, so I just chose to pin the sides with some bobby pins just to kind of give me a mohawk like this.
The way you want your body, get your fire can cool. She says she want the rundown. Bad man, I mean the run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, may she calm down. Bad man.
And that is it really for this video. I hope you enjoyed this quick, it's not even a tutorial at this point, it's just me freestyling to do my hair and makeup. And I will see you guys in the next video, which is going to be my morning routine for school, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.
Me the run town. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Give me not the vibe, say she wanna roll.